In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to darken an image in Photoshop. Whether you're looking to add a bit of mood or correct an overexposed photo, darkening an image can be an essential step in your editing process. Photoshop offers a wealth of tools to achieve this, but today we'll focus on using the curves adjustment layer for its balance of control and simplicity. First off, let's start by opening Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have it already open, you'll want to launch the program and get ready to work with your image. If you're new to Photoshop, don't worry, this tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you get comfortable with the process. Next, you'll need to add the image you want to work on. You can do this by simply dragging your image file into Photoshop or by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image from your computer. This step is foundational because every adjustment you make will be layered on top of this original image, so make sure the quality and size of your image are what you're aiming for. Now, let's enhance the image with a curves adjustment. Curves is a powerful tool that allows you to control the brightness and contrast of an image with a lot of precision. To quickly access the curves adjustment, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Alt plus M. This will bring up the curves dialog box. Here you'll see a diagonal line running through a graph. This line represents your current image brightness levels. To begin darkening the image, you'll want to adjust this line downwards, effectively deepening the overall tone of your picture. Click on the midpoint of the line and gently drag it down. As you adjust, you'll see your image change in real time. If you're unsure about how much to drag, a small adjustment often goes a long way. Look for the right blend where your darker elements gain depth without losing important details. Remember that subtlety can make a big difference, so don't go too far all at once. It's always a smart move to zoom in and out of your image to ensure it looks balanced both up close and overall. You can always go back and make further tweaks if needed. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to darken an image using the curves adjustment in Photoshop. It's a fundamental skill that offers flexibility and control, empowering you to achieve the exact look you're going for. Thanks for joining me today in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy editing your images with newfound confidence. Until next time, happy editing.